we try single player, the map also appears, and it does the same thing. Loads. Does not show me the loading on the bottom right. It does show me this menu. Which is very strange. And also does not show me the main menu stuff. But if I go and open the overview map, I think it works perfectly fine. Not sure why it showed me two options like that. It does open the thing. The sockets are bad for the meta-human. But yep. I want to test something. If I go here, does it actually allow me to go on lit mode? Let me see. No, not on the build. Yeah, not on the build. Is there a way to kind of like do it with the console command? Just want to see what's happening with the other map. Oh, there you go. So if I come here and do that, no, not really. I remember, oh, maybe in the standalone mode, not here. Uh-huh. Oh, default engine. Oh, okay, so I do need to add it here, and then I can go into view mode on lit. Okay, I mean, let's try that because I need to see what's actually happening. It's a meta, you want get away. Let me check. Default engine. Maybe here we can add that line. And then we can check. So it's building and it's letting me play on the overview level. It's not letting me play on the on my map. That's the issue. Might also have to do it could also be related to the world partition. Settings. We might be just spawning on an empty level. Let's see what's the issue here. So there's something I wanted to talk about. There's a new AI assistant for Unreal Engine. You can go to samples, is it here or? No, it's not here yet. Oh, I thought it was here. Let me see where it is. Developer assistant. There you go. It gives you some options, and then it gives you some C++. Does it generate the blueprint? That would be very cool. I have ran AI-driven NPCs on VR project. It is impressive, but it's expensive. The AI dev assistant you need an API key, I think, as well. It gets costly, like 0.2 cents per prompt, but it adds up. Whoa, that's crazy, Storm. So there's this new developer assistant for creating C++ and maybe just C++, not blueprints yet. Let's try. Blueprint on how to make a door open. Let's see if it actually creates blueprints. That'll be nice. Oh, cool. It does give you steps. That's very cool. Nice. So yeah, now I'm testing a couple of builds. I've been making a bunch of packages. I've been packaging a lot, and I'm the thing works for the overview level, but not for my level. So I added this little console command to my ini file named force debug view mode 1. So I can use the view mode on lit and see what happens, because it might be related to world partition, might be that I'm just entering an empty level, who knows. Where's that option for AI stuff on Unreal? It's available as a plugin for 5.7, but it currently only gives information about 5.6 and below. Yeah, it's set up here in the default, and also it's set up as in the DT container map. So it plays great on editor, works perfectly, no errors, nothing. It compiles, it packages, but I enter into an empty map. I do get some messages from the drones and stuff, and I'm able to open the tab menu, but not the main menu stuff. So there's something wrong going on. Nice. But for now, I think you can access it just through the website if you want to use it outside on Unreal, under Development Assistant Unreal Engine in the dev forums. So yep, this might be related to the template itself, because it does not want to play as standalone as well. So yeah, might be broken somewhere. Oh yeah. On your Git backup, does that package? No, it's not packaging. I have this is my backup. This is unmodified, and this is not packaging. This is the modified one, also not packaging. This shows me the errors, the backup one. This one does not. The one that I'm working with right now does package, but does not want to open my map. Is your packaging including all files in your content folder? I guess the build is like 15 gigabytes. I don't know if there's an option to change that. First, I wanna I wanna make it work before doing anything. So yeah, that's the deal. It's packaging very quickly because I've done it a couple of times already. So my best guess is that the template might be broken or something. Let's see what happens. That's a very bright light, to be honest. Oh, probably. Probably. It was a pain in the ass for sure. Yeah, I think that's better. Just one light. That one was a little bit too much. But hey, the project now is only 43 gigabytes in total. There's no errors. There's no errors. It's packaging greatly. It's working very good. On the editor working is packaging. It's just not opening my map. It's just not opening my map. That's the problem. And we're gonna see what actually happens here. I wanna see what's actually happening. Let's see if we actually can use this command to go on lit. Okay, build successful. Okay. The template is working. The sockets on the MetaHuman are not working. Oh, on this single player they're working. Okay. Yeah, well, that's funny. So the command I want to use is this one. There you go. Now it's working on lit mode. Oh crap! Oh shit! Oh crap! When I got a backache. Oh shit! When I least expected it. So yeah, that's what I want. I want to see on lit mode. I want to see what's happening. So here the menu is working. That's the thing. So when I go to main menu, that's great. We're gonna go play, multiplayer, host, new game, my map, start. I have it set for both. Maybe I can try just multiplayer. It's Santa. Oh, I see something. I see something. Then it's darkness. Are we falling through the map? Oh, I saw something for a second. I saw my landscape for a second. Then we are... I know what it is. Oh, Jesus, it cannot be. World partition just playing games on me. World partition playing games on me. Tell me that the landscape is not spatially loaded. Just tell me that the landscape... Come on. It could be. It's not spatially loaded. I know it. I mean, it's actually good. Yeah, spatially loaded. Okay. No, it needs to be unchecked. That's good. That's good. Data layer, initially visible, initially loaded, activated. Okay, if we play from the editor, it works. Turn on lead off. Okay, let's see. I'm starting with this character. Let me check something. That might be something related. Okay, Manny blue. Okay, what could it be? I will show you. I will show you in a second. Let me double check. Another setting that was giving problems, and I'm not sure if it's fixed already, is the DT map container. My map is set to both multiplayer and single player. We have the map name. This is how I usually set it up, and it works on the editor. Okay, so let's start it on multiplayer as lead mode and see what happens. Nothing, not loading on the bottom right corner. I do get the menu. But I don't get the menu for the exit and stuff. I did see the level for a second. That's what I'm trying to do, the unlit stuff. I'm trying to do it on lit so I can see. Oh, I see it for 1 second. It is loading the map. Something's going wrong with it. Play. Let's try it again. Single player. Do we have any difference? Single player is not showing the map. Nope, it's not showing the map on single player. Oh crap, well, it might, I don't know. I really don't know at this point. Let's try to just set it to multiplayer. And now we're gonna try just multiplayer, see what happens. I'm gonna push the capsule a little bit higher. I don't believe that's the issue at all. Yeah. And we're gonna try with just multiplayer. That's not a bad idea, actually. Let's do it. Let's actually do something like a big box. Just gonna make sure that it has collisions. Because I see it's loading the landscape for a second. Okay. I want to push this under the ground and see if that's the problem. Okay. Let me see if I can find some stuff for my back. Shit. I'll be right back. Okay, let's see what's happening. We are seeing the landscape for a second. It works. In the editor. What could the issue be? Yeah, definitely. Definitely not the same thing. Yeah. Yeah, we are not gonna get any response from Weber until Monday. um mhm. I had to re-enable streaming for the landscape. Yeah, that has that makes a lot of sense. I'm almost positive it has to do with world partition. The only problem is that why am I not able to see the menu? That's the strangest thing. The world settings are the same. The BPRPG character. Haven't touched that. There is something going on with world partition. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, there's an option. There's an option I changed for the world partition H lots. We haven't built any H lots here yet, but there's an option related to the landscape, now that I remember, that could have something to do with it. Okay. Enable streaming on the landscape? That's a good question. It seems like it. I needed to load the region, but I don't see the option. That's a problem. Enable. World partition setup, enable streaming, but I see you have a different option on the landscape. Oh, no, you're just on world settings. Enable streaming. Yeah, it should be on right there. Yeah. Let's test it. Okay, I'll try that. I see the landscape for a second, then we fall down. Cannot press escape. just this thing. Oh wow. I see it unloading. Let's uncheck spatially loaded from this box, so it's always gonna be loaded. Do you think it's a good idea to just enable streaming? Should we try it? I'm kind of scared. Okay, they're always gonna be loaded. Let's test it like this actually. Let's test it without streaming. Let's just test it like this. What happens if I make a build like that? Okay. Yeah, let's just make a test just to see if it is related or not. So the map appears on both multiplayer and both. Let's keep it set to both. Hey Sisa, how is it going? It might be related to my previously built H lots, probably, since we are bringing this from a previously built project with H lots. Maybe that's messing it up. Shipping build. It should work like this. I've always been doing it like this for testing. You know what can we do? Let's delete H lots. Let's delete all the H lots. But let's see what happens with the streaming off. If the landscape disappears, Yeah, we are in some serious trouble. Oh my god. Yeah. Wow. It is probably the H lots. I didn't know that shipping does not allow for debug options. And why is it like all dark? Is my ultra dynamic sky set to a data layer or something? We should be able to see the skybox and stuff at least. So if everything's dark, it yeah. Nothing got loaded. My UDS, I know it's not part of any data layer. I'm gonna double check that. So yeah, let's do this test, then HLOTs, make sure that the ultra dynamic sky is not part of any data layer. Yeah, wow. Alright, yeah, well, let's see what happens. Yeah, and I only see like the landscape very far away. I'm starting to believe this is an H-lot problem. No, I don't want to remove it. I just want to double check that it's not part of any unloaded data layer. Just want to make sure that it's gonna be there. So here we took the spatially loaded off, and we made a box as well. Just to see if we can fall through the landscape. The funny thing is that on the previous build, I was not able to see the box. That's interesting. Okay, we're almost there. Um, okay, creating the files. Okay. So this is no streaming. Map mode both. No stream. War partition. Okay. Reduce game size. Oh, Weber, he got him. He responded nice. He said like, if you get stuck, send your project my way. Oh, it's 40 gigabytes, okay. So this is the latest. Okay. Okay, let's go on lit, play multiplayer. And let's see what happens. I see the landscape for a second. It goes dark. Exactly the same thing. Exactly the same thing. All right. What cards do we have? H slots. So enable streaming. Where is it? Build H slots. Delete H slots. Okay. Yeah. I wanna try a couple more things. Okay, took the spatially loaded out of those things because these are going to be loaded with data layers, so they don't need to be spatially loaded. There is an option in the HLOT layers that I changed, but we deleted the HLOT, so I'm not gonna go into that right now. So what we're gonna do is make another another build. Oh my god, without HLOTs now. Okay. Oh my god. So let's see what are the potential problems. Spatially loaded actors. Streaming source. Verify that a valid streaming source is active in your package build. By default, the player controller acts as a streaming source, but custom world partition streaming components also can be used. Loading range in grid size. Data layers. Packaging and level setup. Default maps. Confirm that the correct world partition map is set as the default map in your project under map modes. Okay. Level instance conversion. If you're working with converted levels from UE4, missing level package. If you encounter missing level package errors, particularly with dedicated servers, this might indicate issues how levels are referenced or packaged. Debugging and troubleshooting. If streaming issues occur specifically when reloading the persistent level in the package build, investigate potential conflicts or timing issues related to world partition initialization. I think it's taking too long to load and the character falls through. I do feel like it feels like we are loading the map and poof, we go through. So we added that cube, right? It should not go through. I'm gonna push the cube up the landscape and see if that's a problem. Also, I didn't check the UDS. Maybe we need to give it a little bit more time to load. Yeah, I raised up the player start. It's so weird. Like this used to work totally fine. Remember the one time we tested it? It was working very nicely. Which also makes me think something happened to the template. I don't know, man. At this point. Oh, fuck. Yep. I don't know what's happening. But it's weird, like if we placed a box underneath the landscape, why is the character not falling in there? There's something weird going on. This is the test. On this test we are going with H-lots. We deleted the H-lots. Oh, I'm running out of memory. Oops. I mean, let's get rid of these builds. Out of space. I'm running out of space there. In the worst case scenario, I can just send the project to Weber, but it's a super heavy project. I really have no clue what else could be happening. Map container file say. Um, there's actually, I have the L main as first in the map container. Maybe if I move it to the last, but no, I don't think that's gonna change anything. Um, Can I show you right now? Let's see. Yeah, I think I can open it right now. Here. I think I had it like this. Yeah, I mean, if not, it wouldn't start on the editor. It's called L main, level main. I have it for the name, as well as the row name, as well as the name of the thing. So this is no H lots. Oh, sorry, yeah, my camera is blocking. Hey, okay. And one funny thing, I'm not getting this. I used to get some stuff here related to the drones. I'm not getting that anymore. Oh shit. Um, um, I, yeah, I don't know. Oh crap! This is no. I mean, I won't be able to finish this stuff uh, if I keep just losing time on these dumbass updates. To be honest, it's just takes too much time, like too much time to be fighting with these updates all the time. Every time something new pops up, it is just too much. Seriously. Oh my god. Yeah. Um, um, multiple skylights are available. Use compile all shaders. Um, yeah. Yeah. I'm trying to figure out a what's happening with the package build. Um, also, the file is too heavy to send it. It's 40 gigabytes. Oh man. Yeah, compile shaders is not a, it's not an issue right now. I appreciate it though. Yeah. Yep. I have no clue. Is there anything in the packaging? Warn if time has been exceeded. Wow, yeah, this really blows, to be honest. Fuck. Wow, yeah. Dude, I don't know if you know what the issue is. Yeah. When I start the map on the package, does not load the map. It's a world partition map. It doesn't load. That's the issue right now. That's the issue right now. Oh man. Yeah. Fuck. I'm getting tired of this. Yeah. I think I'm gonna just send the files. Yeah. I think I'm gonna send the files and chill out, because this is actually, before we do this, let me try something different. Okay. Let's push that block out. Okay, let's make it clear. Okay, this should be always loaded. Yeah, I'm gonna use HLOTs, yeah. Right now, the thing is getting the map to work on a package build. If I cannot get that going, yeah, there's no reason to continue doing anything else. I need to start this map on my build, on my package build. So yeah, it should look like this. When we start, instead of all black. Initially visible, initially loaded. Override block on slow streaming. Override block on slow streaming. Streaming priority. Oh, okay. Not block. I mean, we need the landscape to be loaded. That's the thing. Runtime grid none. Oh, what the hell? Enable streaming is off in the project? Are you crazy? Why is it enable streaming off in the project settings? Is edit in place streaming enabled? Allow editing levels instances with streaming enabled. Enable streaming is off in the project settings. Jesus Christ. Okay. That could be it. Yeah, the map is on the starting maps. It's a world partition related issue here. I think we got something going. Enable streaming. That should be enabled. Runtime grid none. Not sure. Maybe it was like that. We can check with the other project. Let's try it again. I mean, I don't know why the project had world partition off to start with. That's just crazy. That could be the problem. That could be easily the problem. Oh my god. I'm actually wanna just open up the backup one and see, because this is ridiculous. Like, how come is that option off? Wow. And the editor doesn't tell you like, hey dude, like, well, you have it off in the project settings. Hopefully this is the problem, because oof. That's something that I keep forgetting. Like, every time I move to this, like, to a new version of the template, and I use kind of like the latest as a starting point, there's a lot of project settings that are not set. I want to see if this project has it enabled almost 100%. Mm-hmm. Oh, eso le preguntar. Di, no sé, a cualquier hora. Usted me avisa, Mateo. Alright, let's see, come on. Let's see. Come on. It's going pretty fast, which is nice. I don't get signal here. Okay, let's check the other project. Oof, world partition is disabled. How come? Oh. Oh, this is for level instances only. Yeah. No, the rabbit hole continues. This is not it. Ooh, this is not it. I knew it was impossible to have that disabled there. Oh shit. Ah man, I don't know, man. Yeah. I guess. Need to find a cloud with at least 43 gigabytes in size. send the project to whoever. Oh man, this, yeah, wow. Uh, um, yeah, let's look for a. Wow, so I can do it with Mega. I'll try that. And I will just send the project. To be honest, I don't know what else can I do now. exactly the same happens. This time it loaded the lighting. This time it loaded the lighting. Then it goes black. The thing is running. Does not show me the menu. Well, rough day today. Rough day today. Yeah, I guess I'm going to take it easy. I I'm starting to believe there's something wrong with the template. He did change some stuff with the map logic and stuff. There's something wrong. Does your package project have a save file? I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take a break. I tried for a long time today. I'm not gonna like overdo myself. Wow, yeah. $100 GB? Wow. Is this... No, it shouldn't be that big. Should be like 43. What the hell? What? 100 GB? No. No, there's something wrong in here. That's probably all the package stuff. Just the project. There you go. 56 on the saved folder. Package, restore data. Yeah. I need to see what can I delete from here. From the save data. This is 14 GB. Cooked. There you go. The cooked and the stage builds are the ones that are very heavy. I think we can get rid of those cooked and stage builds. Yeah, there you go, 54 GB. Yeah, we need to only package that's that thing, you're right. Yeah. Just 47. Logs. World partition. Streaming cook. Yeah, I will look into it as soon as I get it working. I don't really want to touch anything until I get this working, because it, oh man, it just yeah, really bothers me. Yeah, dude, it's too much, man. It's too much to just really. Yeah, these updates are not allowing me to progress. Yeah, this is not really, it's just not allowing me to continue. Like, it's just taking too much time, way too much time. It's just really killing the whole process. This is gonna be the last time I update, because I'm just getting sick of this stuff. Every time I update is such a fucking pain. Seriously, it is just crazy. All right. Yeah, I need to take a break. This was this was too much, but yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Take care, everybody.